In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CSS in Elementor. If you've been looking to add custom CSS to your Elementor pages but are unsure how to go about it, you're in the right place. By the end of this guide, you'll have the knowledge you need to enhance your web design with custom styles, making your pages more unique and tailored to your vision. To start, you'll want to navigate to the page you are working on in Elementor. Once you're in the Elementor editor, the first thing you'll need to do is drag in the HTML widget. You can find this widget by using the search bar in the Elementor panel on the left side. Simply type HTML and you'll see it pop right up. Click and drag this widget onto the area of your page where you want the CSS to apply. This widget will serve as the container for the custom CSS styling you're about to create. Now, inside this HTML widget, you'll be inserting your CSS. This is a straightforward process, but requires careful attention to detail to ensure everything is implemented correctly. You'll start by opening a pair of style tags within the HTML widget's text area. These tags are crucial as they tell the browser that this section contains styling rules written in CSS. It's important to include both the opening tag, which is style, and the closing tag, style, ensuring everything in between is enclosed properly. Inside these style tags, you can begin to write your CSS rules. This is where you can unleash your creativity. Whether you want to change font sizes, alter colors, or add special effects like hover animations, your options are endless. If you're not yet comfortable with CSS, there are a plethora of resources online that provide snippets and ideas you can use and modify for your needs. Just remember, all CSS properties go between these style tags, and each property is typically followed by a colon and its value, ending with a semicolon. As you add your CSS, keep an eye on the Elementor preview window to see how your changes look in real time. This instant feedback is incredibly helpful for making precise adjustments to your styles. If your CSS isn't appearing as you'd expect, double-check your code for any typos or missing brackets, as small errors can prevent the style sheet from being read correctly. Once you're happy with how everything looks, make sure to save your changes before exiting Elementor. Hitting the update button ensures that all your hard work is preserved and live on your website for everyone to see. And there you have it. You've successfully added custom CSS to your Elementor page. By using the HTML widget and some carefully crafted CSS, you've taken significant steps towards a more customized and visually appealing design. Feel free to experiment with different styles to see what works best for your particular project. The sky's the limit, and with practice, you'll only get better at creating distinct, professional-looking pages. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!